Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 15S. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP 15S battery won't charge at all, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises due to battery wear over time or a failing charging port. If left unresolved, it can lead to further complications, including data loss or permanent damage to your device. To resolve this, we will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a replacement battery specifically for the HP 15S. Start by ensuring your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Begin by removing the base cover using your Phillips screwdriver. Carefully insert the plastic prying tool into the seam of the laptop and gently pry open the cover. Be cautious to avoid damaging any clips or nearby components. Once the base is removed, locate the battery. It is usually rectangular and secured in place with screws. Unscrew the battery using your Phillips screwdriver. As you do this, keep track of the screws to avoid losing them. After removing the screws, carefully disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard by gently pulling it out. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the old battery is removed, take your new battery and connect it to the motherboard. Ensure it clicks into place securely. Now, align the battery with the screw holes and reinsert the screws, tightening them gently but firmly. After securing the battery, replace the base cover by aligning it properly and pressing down until you hear it click into place. Finally, plug in your laptop and power it on to check if the battery is charging correctly. If you see the charging indicator light up, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the battery. To prevent this issue from occurring again, try not to let your battery completely drain frequently, and ensure you use a compatible charger. Regular maintenance can also extend your battery's life. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.